Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. So we see a lot of volatility currently on the smaller time frame. And yeah, you get a lot of corrective price action across the sector. That's not only for ADA. Yesterday I posted on X on Twitter that I don't see this move up as impulsive. People laughed about it because, oh yeah, isn't that a green candle? Doesn't look impulsive. Doesn't it look impulsive? And I said, well, you might say on the micro level, maybe that's an impulse, but I'm thinking in bigger terms, we're looking at the entire structure, and that is not impulsive to the upside. And that's always a warning that we have to be ready for setbacks, because what's the alternative? If it's not an impulse based on Elliott Wave structure terms, it can be a so-called diagonal structure, which can be characterized by deep and unexpected pullbacks along the way, but should still form a 5-wave move up, but is very difficult to trade and track. That would be the yellow scenario, a diagonal pattern, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Yeah? But then wave 4 support is already being maxed out, and support is here at 75 cents, as I mentioned in yesterday's update. But it could also just be a correction, and we're dealing then with just corrective ABC structures. So I have shown one potential here in white. The problem is whenever we're dealing with corrective structures, there are a lot of different interpretations that are applicable, which means the entire structure here is completely difficult to trade and track unless you're extremely flexible and adaptable, which most people are not. So it makes sense for people to keep any trades small and focus on risk management and capital preservation in the current range, because we're still moving in a larger sideways range. The price has fallen back into the February range, where the price obviously bottomed on the 3rd of February, then we rallied, and the price could not break above that 84.5 cent level. Oh no, it's 82.5 cents. Well, the price broke out a few days ago due to the Donald Trump tweet, or on his platform, he posted obviously about the strategic digital assets reserve for the US. But now we see a pullback again back into the range. 75 cents is support for the yellow scenario. Below that level, it becomes more probable that a deeper pullback is unfolding. For example, in the white scenario. Again, that would be based on corrective structures where the price can still move higher, but it is kind of unpredictable. So all we can get really at this stage are some key support levels to watch. Whenever we're dealing with corrective structures, there are many different interpretations. So I only show you the two that I find most likely here. Even though I don't really trust the yellow scenario with support at 75 cents, please note that if we break below it, I will shift the focus to the white scenario, which means we are in a B wave pullback, which is a corrective pullback. I can maintain that perspective as long as we're holding above the red line. That's located at 50.9 cents. That's the invalidation point. Any break below 50.9 cents will strongly suggest that, we are entering the yellow larger support area around 30 cents, which is based on the August lows 2024. This is where they found support back then. Here on the very short term, then below 75 cents, the white scenario will take the lead with an invalidation point at 50 cents. And then we have also Fibonacci support to watch at 56.1 cents, 61 and 70 cents. So stay vigilant, stay careful here. For an indication that a low is in, well, it is difficult. I need to see some kind of a 5-wave move up. Yeah, that would help. 5 waves up, 3 waves down, which would indicate the start of the C wave. If we're in the yellow scenario, then please note we don't really need 5 waves up, because this would be an ABC structure. Again, it's getting very messy here in the sideways range, but a sustained and decisive break above the next resistance at $1.16, $1.17 should open the door to a test of the $1.42 level, $1.72, or maybe even $2.30. Until then, we just have to be flexible here. This is still a range. We're moving in up and down corrective structures. So prioritize capital preservation or just zoom out for a little bit more clarity. But this is my view of the lower time frame. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.